Hi, my name is Dennis. I'm 77 years old. You wouldn't believe it, but I am. And I'm riding a great, big, beautiful bike. And this is all because of a friend of mine, which I met about 10 years ago. And his name is Raif Emini. This gentleman is a herbal specialist. He's a doctor of his own sort. I'd like to explain a little bit more about you, so give me a minute and I'll get myself into proper... Hi, I'm back again. This is Dennis Morin. I've mentioned a few minutes ago that I was 77. I met Mr. Emini, he is now Dr. Emini, 10 years ago, around about. And I was suffering with a terrible neck injury that occurred probably in my early 20s. And with all the doctors in Toronto that I've seen, they could not help me out. Upon meeting Dr. Raif, we were sitting across the table from each other, and he mentioned that I had a problem with my neck. And I said, "How do you know?" He said, "Well, I can see in your eyes and I can see the way you're moving." And he says, "I can help." And I said, "Well, if you can help, you'll be the only one I know, because every doctor I've been to, there's just no way they can help. They send me home with a bunch of pills to take, and that's about it." So in the meantime, I agreed, and we went in the other room and took my top off and laid down on my stomach, and Dr. Raif worked on my back and the top of my spine, and within about 5 minutes he asked me to sit up, and I sat up, and he said, "Move your neck," and I did. I was so surprised. No pain, absolutely nothing. It was fantastic. I couldn't believe it. At this point in time, I thought he was performing some magic or something. But anyways, I mentioned to him that I had other problems, and he said, "Yes, I can see you have a hip problem from the way I was walking." And I said, "Yes, but however," he said, let's stick to the one thing right now. I want you to come back. We will give you 3 or 4, maybe 5 more treatments, and you will be fine with your neck, and then we'll look after the rest." So I did, and lo and behold, my hip is all right now. I mean, otherwise I couldn't be riding this big motorcycle, obviously. So I have Raif Emini to thank for all this, and of course it doesn't stop there. I've seen him work on many other patients since 10 years ago. I've been working along with him, helping him, and he has certainly helped an awful lot of people back on their feet, which is absolutely astounding to me. And I have to say that if you are suffering with any kind of pain, it doesn't matter what it is, I'm sure that Dr. Raif Emini can certainly help you. So that's what I have to say about Mr. Emini. Thank you very much.